Hello, welcome to my CS50 web project 2. I've got the spec on my right here. I'm just going to go very quickly this video because there's a lot to go through. So it says, okay, so I have at least 3 models, and as you can see, I'm in the admin thing here, and you can see I've got 5. So, you know, the 3 that I need are bids, listing, and comments, users, and, I got Watchlist as well, basically. Because yeah, in addition to the user one. Okay, and then let's see if we can create a listing here. I'll just call it like random. I'll give it a description of food, and I'll just search for a random image, and I'll put that as a thing, just because I could leave it blank, but then it might be like, oh, what if I don't know how to put it in or whatever. We'll give it a random price. Put it in home, I guess. It's food. So yeah, as you can see, it redirects us to the page, and yeah, so that's pretty cool, I guess. And so yeah, we specify the title, the description, and the starting bid, and the image. And now if we go here, as you can see, also now the bananas here as well, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, and it displays title, the description, the price, the photo, and it does the category as well. And let's go on this, for example, and let's add it to our watch list. So we can see on a watch list, oh, I've got an old one here that was closed, that's why it wasn't on the active listing page. But yeah, so there's 2 beans, and you can see I can even go on and I can put, say, the banana on the watch list as well. Now the banana's here, and then I'll also show that, because this is already, because like say this one's already on our watch list, for example. If we press remove from watch list, now like the second beans is gone, because when the listing is closed, it doesn't remove it from the watch list, just because, you know, there might be several reasons to put it on a watch list, right? It's not just in case the listing is closed or not. And so let's try and bid on this item, for example. And actually, I'll just switch over to an incognito one on a different account, so that I can bid on it as not the user, so then I can show them winning or whatever. And so let's say like 670, and now the bid price is updated to 670, and if I refresh over here, it also changes to 670. And now we'll also show going too cheap as well, and it says an error code, please stop. Let's bring up the spec again. Okay, yeah, so it presents with an error. And now, if we're signed in, we can close it, and then the highest bidder is the winner of the auction. So let's close the listing. It says this bid is no longer active, and now we can't bid on it anymore. And also, it'll be off the page when we go back. And now, if we refresh it here, it says congratulations bot2, because that's the name of our user. You won with the price of 670, and we can't bid on it anymore. Okay, yeah, and then okay, and then next is comments, but I'll just show now the banana isn't here anymore. So let's go here and let's write some comments. And we said testing, and it came up here, and then we'll go on the incognito and refresh. Oh, well, that would be the wrong one. That's why there's no comment. But yeah, so testing. So that's all working as intended. Okay, and then yeah, watch list. Well, I'll go on it again, I guess. Add to watch list, and then this is the watch list. And clicking it takes us to the pages, and you can see it all says, well, apart from these not being active, but it says remove from watch list, and we can do that. And then let's press categories, and now I think one of them was in toys. Okay, yeah, so we go on toys and we see there's only the CS50 duck left. I was just trying to remember which ones are still open, and we can press it and see. I think we also have one for technology as well, so let's yeah, and we've got the laptop. And now if we go on the Django interface, we can add, like, you know, we can add anything, like it's all registered on here. I'm not gonna press on there's something that I'm not meant to press on here. Okay, but yeah, we can like change the users, the listing, everything, and, you know, save it and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I'll show most of this. You know, like, and we can also change if it's 1 or not. So that's cool. Yeah, we could change all that, including the comments and the bids. That's why it is pretty important to make them as